Hello everyone, welcome back with Fusion 360 tips and tricks how to mirror body. First, I will create a simple body with a front view and use line tools to create a sketch. Okay, the next you can click finish sketch and to convert into 3D models, I will use extrude tools, extrude into this point and you can click OK. The next, if you want to mirror this body, first, we need to use a mirror tool. So you can click create and click mirror command. There are two options. We need to create objects. This for the objects, and the second we need to create mirror plane. So in here we will create a plans. You can cancel here. Select at this face, and I will use these tools offset plane. I will create plane into this point. The next you can click OK. So we have this body and this mirror plane. The next you can click create and go to mirror command. Change types in here into bodies, and for objects you can select these objects. The next for mirror plane we select this plane. Now it will be automatically mirror. You can see and you can click OK to apply. So we already mirror this body with mirror tools. Okay, enough today for Fusion 360 basic tutorial how to mirror body. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.